Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on XVG, the main coin of Verge. Yesterday I was, someone told me that Verge actually has their own blockchain running, which in hindsight I did know. I did know that they had their own blockchain. But apart from that, I mean, you can also see it right here if you check out all of the info. But so it's a coin, it's a currency, it's not a token. So that's a quick correction I did want to make. Basically, if you don't know the distinction, a coin has its own network. And coin and currency is kind of seen as the same. And a token is basically a coin based on the network of a real coin. So for example, most cryptos are actually ERC20 tokens. So they're built on the Ethereum blockchain. Verge not. Probably has an ERC20 token as well. That's wrapped, but apart from that, no. But in this video, we'll take a look at Verge. We'll mainly focus on the technicals, because the technicals have actually been very interesting over the last 24 hours. Because when Bitcoin got that bearish push yesterday, Verge was actually the crypto that held its support levels right here around 0.007, which I'll refer to as 0.7 cents. All right, so just so you know. So I think there are a lot of opportunities. The main, like what's possible now is that we actually can get another push up to this level around 1.15 and 1.1 cents because we have been holding our levels. But apart from that, I still personally feel like Verge is manipulated. Mainly by the price action, because if you actually take a look at the volume is pretty decent. Like there's nothing really wrong with that. But the price action is really shady. So personally, I'm waiting for a good short, and I'll also tell you what I'm looking at, or where I'm looking for before I will short. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, if you actually want to receive daily trading signals, like also the signal I will probably share on Verge, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now to Verge. So we've been kind of spiking in this area. I would say at this point of time, like since yesterday evening kind of, we have placed ourselves in this area between 0.82 cents and 0.7 cents. So this is the area in which we're in right now, and this is the main area I'm looking at, because personally I'm looking at either Verge going for a new higher high. So that would be, I would say, in this area around 1.1 cents. Or I'm looking for bearish confirmation to short. Because at this point of time, I mean, if you take a look at the previous price action of Verge, you can see that there hasn't really been that much price action. So the risk reward is great for a short, I would say. But the main level I'm looking at, like with the 3/2 fib, it's a big psychological level as well, 0.7 cents, is that 0.7 cents area. Like the only way, or the only time I would short is if we get a bearish breakout through that level, preferably on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe I'll say it's enough if the 1-hour time frame breaks down below that level, but then I would actually short from there. First price target probably around here at around 0.52 cents, excuse me. But I think overall it's going to drop down all the way to at least 0.35 cents. Might even drop down lower if Bitcoin gets some resistance as well. So that's something we'll kind of have to wait for. But yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for. But at this point of time, we are still very bullish. So it's waiting for which side we'll break out of. If we can get a bullish breakout above 0.82 cents at this point of time, we will easily get up to 1.1 cents. And then from there, we will have to wait for some sort of a different bearish confirmation, which I'll update you on if we get there. But yeah, so pretty exciting. It's like that we know that big moves are coming up. So that's exciting. A lot of opportunities. Personally, I mean, if you're not an experienced trader, I would probably stay out of XVG because, like I said, or stay out of Verge because, like I said, it does look very manipulated, and manipulators almost always do make money. But apart from that, there are a lot of opportunities. So these are my thoughts and my take and my potential trades on XVG. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.